So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone is not connecting to the hotel Wi-Fi that you're in. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you want to go ahead and try checking out which Wi-Fi connection you're connecting to. There can be some times where you're close to other hotels, so you want to make sure you're connecting to the correct Wi-Fi connection. That's the number one first thing. Now if you can verify you're connecting to the right one, another important thing to remember is that your Wi-Fi connection to your hotel might need to be specifically connected to that particular Wi-Fi connection, and you might have to input your room information. So there can be some times you might have to input your, hotel room number and your, name, things like that you have to do all the time. So just go through, you might have to just essentially go into it and, connect to it and type in that information. Now, if you don't see a pop-up that tells you that, you might also have to go through and forget that network and reconnect to that Wi-Fi connection. So one more time, go ahead and hop into your settings application right there and go ahead and tap on either the forget option or the, there's like a delete option for that Wi-Fi connection, but tap on forget. That will go and forget that network connection and then go through and try reconnecting to that particular Wi-Fi. A lot of the times that might end up working for you, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing. Now you can also try going through and you can try restarting your phone. So try holding down your side button of your Android device and try clicking your power off button or restart button if you want to. You can also try going through and seeing if there's an issue with the Wi-Fi connection itself, and you can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi connection if possible. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.